7 mindsets to succeed. Hi guys, this is Khadi. Today I want us to tackle one of the most important elements in starting a business, because affiliate marketing is a business, right? And you need to treat it as such. What are the mindsets that you need to have in order to be successful in your affiliate marketing business, so that you can also attain your goal in becoming one of the super affiliates out there, and also make 6 figures in terms of commission. So these are the mindsets that I have for you, and please make note and listen carefully, because this is the start. You can have the capital to start your business, but if you don't have the right attitude and the right mindset, just forget about it. You can succeed for a year or 2, but for you to sustain your business and also be able to overcome the challenges that will come with running a business, because you will suffer challenges, you will go through challenges. It's part of life and it's part of running a business. So it can be from a resource point of view, the people that you're working with, it can be financial, it depends, right? You can have like overhead issues in running the cost of running a business, like anything. It can even be personal, but you will have challenges. But now, how do you spring back and be able to go back and say, I can still attain my goal and I can still do it? So that is the reason why I'm doing this video for you guys. So let's just go through the mindset. So the first one is self-trust. How are you supposed to have that self-trust mindset? I'll go through it just now. And the second one is positive attitude. Patience. You need to be patient with yourself and love yourself. Focus on the goal. Don't lose the goal post. Just focus on the goal. Never stop learning. Organization, and you need to be committed and be determined to reach your goal no matter what. So let's just go through the mindset. The first one, self-trust. Self-trust, as I've said, it's all about you. It starts and ends with you. You can have a mentor, you can have a coach, but at the end of the day, you are the one living with yourself, and you know what are your limitations. You know where you can, how far you can go, and you know, as I've said, you know your limitations. So you need to believe in yourself. You need to start on a daily basis. Just recite positive words. Positive words about you can do it, you are successful. You can even say you are a millionaire. So just have affirmations, words of affirmations on a daily basis, and start believing in yourself. You can also do meditation if you want to do that. You can also do yoga. So I believe in God, so I believe in prayer, so that's what keeps me grounded. So you need to find something that will keep you strong and will help you not to lose faith and keep walking in this journey. Removing limiting beliefs. What are your limiting beliefs? You need to start there. I can tell you, for me, my limiting belief, I was afraid to go on camera. So starting and making YouTube videos, to be honest, it was just a daunting experience for me. I didn't even want to be on YouTube, but because I have a goal in mind, and I wanted to be an affiliate marketer for a very, very long time. So immediately when I just told myself, now is the time, I need to do it, like my fear and everything just went away, because my focus focus on one thing, and one thing is to attain my goal. So what are your limiting beliefs? Find out what are your limiting beliefs and remove those limiting beliefs. If it's lacking self-confidence, as I've said, do the affirmation on a daily basis and start loving yourself and start believing in yourself. It all starts with you and it ends with you. The second one is positive attitude. You must always give yourself a reason why you must achieve your goal. Do not listen to naysayers that will say you cannot, you should not, because you don't have the capital to start. You cannot because you don't have the confidence. You cannot because you are short. You cannot because of you are not able to speak properly. You cannot because you don't know English. Forget about that. I know a lot of affiliate marketers who have succeeded, a lot of people who have succeeded in business without knowing anything, without even having the skill to start that business. It's all about your positive attitude and surrounding yourself with the right people. If you believe that you can do it, then nothing will stop you. So start removing the not in the words cannot and should not, and adopt I can do it and I should do it. Find reasons how you can do it and how you should do it. Start talking about can and should and remove the not. That's the positive attitude. Because without positive attitude, just forget about it. You won't be able to go far. It starts with the mind and it starts with your attitude. If you have a negative attitude, everything in your life, it will just fall apart, because what you believe, you become. So let's go to the next one, guys. Patience. You need to be patient with yourself. This is one of my favorite ones. This is one of my favorite mindset, because in life there are people around us. We are not islands, right? We live with other people, and you get to see their progress and they are making it, while from your side, when you see your result, nothing is happening. It's like you've planted a plant but it's not even growing. You need to be patient with yourself and your result. Do not expect microwave outcomes. So you would see people who are successful out there. You don't even know how they got there. You don't even know what sacrifices they had to do for them to be able to achieve those goals. So do not compare yourself with anyone. Just run your own race and focus on your goal. And if you feel like you need help, then get yourself a mentor. Get yourself a coach. Speak to people who've already achieved it and ask them how did they do it. What matters is just be patient with yourself. Sometimes it takes time, and it's okay. It's okay if it takes time. But ultimately what matters is you will achieve your goal. Another favorite mindset for me is focus on the goal. Do not lose your focus. Concentrate on the goal and remove waste and distractions. What do I mean by that? You need to remove waste. If currently all you do is just dress shopping, you just want to go shopping, you just want to go clubbing with your friend. I'm not saying that don't go clubbing with your friend, but if you have a goal that you need to attain, you need to be able to be organized and try to find ways on how to achieve it. That means there will be sacrifices that you need to do. Yes, spend time with your friends, because otherwise you're going to burn out, but don't do it often. You need to have time to be able to set time for everything and have a balanced life. Don't just overdo one thing. And also distractions. If you are what you do normally is just binge watch on series on TV, then limit that. I'm not saying that don't watch it, then limit it and set time for yourself to be able to achieve the goal. Write them down and check exactly for you to achieve the goal. what are the actions that are needed? Ask yourself, what do you need to give up in order to achieve your goal? You know your life. From myself, what I had to give up, for me, I just had to put more time, because there's a lot of things that I'm doing currently. So it means that if I have to sleep late or do my work in the morning, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, that's what I do. That's my sacrifice. So I'll wake up 3 a.m. in the morning, or I'll sleep late after midnight, doing my focusing on my affiliate marketing business. So that's the sacrifice that I've decided that I'm going to take. So for you, it can be something else, because during the day I have to also spend time with my family. I also have to be a mother. So you decide what you need to do, and I also have other things that I'm doing with my also 9-to-5 job. So it's hectic. But what are your sacrifices? How much do you want to achieve the goal, and what are you willing to sacrifice to achieve? For me, it is time. I'm sacrificing my time. For you, what are you sacrificing? So just check that, and as I've said, write it down and check how you can go about it. Number 5, learning. Learning is an interesting one, because as a human being, we don't want to be told, right? We always think that we are all right, we are always right, and nothing is wrong with us. So we need to be able to receive negative feedback and not take it personal, and also learn from our mistake. So you need to be able to learn from your mistakes. For me, I bought, let me just give you an example from my side. The mistake that I did when studying my affiliate marketing business, I bought a lot of shiny objects. I bought a lot of courses. So basically, I've wasted money. But that is the mistake that I made until I decided to get a coach who will help me to be able to understand this affiliate marketing business. But I did not give up. I didn't just say, I spent this lot of money, now I don't want to do it anymore. I'm still interested in this business. So I've learned from my mistake. I won't do that. The right thing to do is get the right person to help you so that you can grow. You need to be disciplined. As I've said, there are a lot of shiny objects out there. Even in any business, you need to be disciplined. You need to be disciplined and focus on your goal. Don't lose focus no matter what. If you're experiencing challenges, financial challenges within your business, never lose the goal. Always focus on the goal, no matter how long it will take you to get there. There will be distractions, but just keep focus. And embrace your failures. See lessons in every failure. Ask yourself, once you have experienced a challenge, just sit down and try do a introspective. Do a introspective and ask yourself, within these failures, what are the lessons learned? Try to write them down, and you will see. That's how I work in my personal and also in business. Every failure, I take it as a lesson, and I grow and learn from it. The 6th mindset is organization. So what does organization entail? So basically, organization means that you need to be organized in your business. Because if you're not organized, you are going to make mistakes and you won't be able to follow through on the other plans that you've made. So basically, you need to have a daily plan. Just have a proper plan in place. Draw up daily plans that has tasks that you need to achieve on a daily basis. And you also need to keep a calendar and also write the dates as to when are you going to achieve. When do you want to achieve those tasks? So your daily plan, for an example, can be maybe you want to set up a website for your business. So how are you going to do that, and how long should that task take? That's what you need to do, so that you can track the progress of your task and be able to measure it. The most important step within organization is you need to take action. There's no point in you drawing up, writing down your daily tasks and having a calendar to check as to when are you supposed to reach those particular tasks. But if you don't take action, you won't be able to achieve anything. So the three goes together. This is what it means when we say organization mindset. These three elements are daily tasks, keeping a calendar so that you can measure the progress of your task, and taking action will help you to attain your goal. And there's a favorite quote that I like by Napoleon Hill that says, "A goal is a dream with a deadline." You cannot just set a goal and not have measurement and timelines towards that goal. You need to be specific and have a timeline and a deadline on when you're going to reach that goal. And by having the organization mindset, and remember guys, this mindset is something that you can learn, something that you can teach yourself. This is not something that you are born with, but this is something that you can teach yourself, and you can also teach yourself to have an organization mindset that will help you to plan properly and attain your goal. The last mindset, determination. Hence I've put this emoji here. Never give up. No matter what, never give up. So there will be stumbling blocks. There will be issues that you'll be facing. You might experience financial issues. You will be burnt out. You will feel like you're missing out because of your friends who will be going to parties. They'll be enjoying life while you're busy building your business. But never give up. Focus on the goal. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Be patient with yourself. Have the positive attitude. And keep motivating yourself. And the most important one, learn from your mistakes. Do not wallow and sit and feel sorry for yourself. Dust yourself and don't give up. Never give up. So guys, this is a video that I've prepared for you that will help you on how to have a positive mindset, and also that will help you to reach your goal. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also don't forget there's a link in the description section where you will be able to join my Facebook group, where you will get valuable content on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. So this will help you to grow, because if you grow, I also grow, and together we become successful. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please be on the lookout for more videos on how to make money online. For now, cheers.